Nun sư tao ask của ba ấy con kế cận cho biết. Okay, so with that, we're going to try to ba ấy con kế cận cho biết. I think Lu month of sư has been very busy, so for that, no problem. So họ cúi share cho biết nó mà cúi mà ở bên gì cho lessons e sư tao khía cho biết là cho nhẹ chế chế đó, okay. Nè bỏ họ sư khía nữa thì nè bỏ họ example tức họ cái sĩ đó mà okay. Nè understand. However, the message today is more geared towards our youth, okay? Our kids that are still in school. So the young kids, the middle school kids, the high school kids, the college kids, okay? Because Lu season, it's summer, but it's the season to go back to school, okay? So the message today is geared towards you guys that are going to be going back to school. So I hope you pay attention, and I hope you get some things out of it today, okay? So let's pray first. Pray talk about you and What you make a joke got to pu Lucia no pe pen chen pu to na go to chen no to ko sa ko ko pe te to no te ko ke ban chi mi yo tai talk ka shi ga tu ju pe da go zo yo lu jo ko chwa ya no hai tao to le ko de share te ka chwa ya ko tí là người từ đó cũng tổng về sự cái chuyện là mình có thể tay tháo cao lòng để chia sẻ về trong amen. Okay, so vấn đề là chỉ họ hook là mà mình hay đi ít bàn khâu đó là you chú có cho audience lo có là pay attention là chỉ cũng mỗi họ hook cho nè. Okay, so Melissa, can you go ahead and play the video? So this is the season, a very good season for us parents. So go ahead and play. So, for you young kids, this commercial was back in 2011. Some of you guys weren't born yet, okay? You guys don't watch TV now, so there's no commercial. Everybody streams now, so I wanted you to see this. So, do it based on what my so Lucia is the most wonderful time of the year. It's a Lucia okay? Why are the parents so happy? Because nay tông thôn này cho mình tu bây giờ nhóc summer nay tu sa sa còn là kamu cần tao ấy thế đi tệ, right? Okay, so for your parents, your parents are happy because they've been taking care of you, waking you up, cooking breakfast, cooking lunch, driving you here, driving you there for the whole summer. So for them, this is the most wonderful time of the year. So you can see the dad was like happy going through and shopping, and then the kids were like, I don't want to go back to school. School again, I don't want to go back to school. Okay? So this is the season for you to go back to school. But I will say this to you, okay? I am 53 years old this year. I have been going to school since I've been 5 or 6 years old. Okay? So 5 years old. Started kindergarten, right? And I'm 53 this year. I have never left school. Okay? Cú hai chú lời để cú chỉ cho bé sống sống nó. Cú bí cẩn tới thì cú chỉ sống. Cú chỉ tông cho chế cẩn tới chế. Okay? Because I'm going back to school too. Tomorrow is my first day back officially. We start our semester back tomorrow. So if you're thinking, oh, another year of school, this guy is 53 and he's starting school tomorrow. So all my life, okay, all of my life, I have been in school. School dictates my personal schedule, okay. กูรู้นั่นนะกูรู้นั่นจะกูจะนี่นี่จะมีตู้มีอยู่เก่เกินต้องกูขอ schedule กูรู้นั่นจะsummer break, Thanksgiving break, Christmas break, spring break, and then summer again, and then we start over again. So my experience in my 53 years is my cycle is just school, okay? So for you, that maybe you're a senior this year, you're a junior this year, you're going to middle school, you're going to 3rd grade, 4th grade, whatever, your time is still very small, okay? So this guy has been in school for so long, okay? So school, okay? So right now, all over Beirut community, all over Beirut genre, that annual ritual of us going back to school is happening, okay? So if you look at many people, their living rooms are covered with new clothes. New sneakers that are not been broken in, they're still in the box, okay? Kitchen tables piled with notebooks, highlighters, markers, 对于我扫天导周内的对于爸的这个母跟到了 and then students are carefully stuffing their backpacks 对于我路拿了对着了就扫对的就好了 ensuring that they have every single tool required to be successful for that first day of school, okay? So for many students, getting a new backpack ready is exciting, right? Everything is clean, organized, and they hold a promise of a fresh start for you, okay? bây giờ mình nói lấy rong xe để lấy đồ backpack chia, cho họ lấy cái sọt chia, lấy cho brand sọt chia, để lấy tư ba để vô một cái tới sông nó rồi, okay? But as any student here can tell you, by the time October rolls around, this is August, so August, September, October, in 3 months, by the time October rolls around, the backpack will look not so clean. It will be heavy, it will have crumpled up paper and homework on the bottom of the backpack, it may have some half-eaten chips in there, it may have lots of junk in there that needs to be cleaned up, okay? So 有那时候那个有路backpack，这种路讲你都那车咩？这种你讲到就技术上高了，你摸可能也好，你摸经验也好，这种去修理的。But as our children and teenagers and college students prepare their walk back to school this month, they are packing a physical backpack. Okay, but today, you know that. Bây giờ nhiều mình lớn bao mà bên ba cái lúc physical backpack cho cái lúc na là cái đó là lúc nào today I want to ask a deeper question because I know bây giờ and our youth and our children, what are we packing in our spiritual backpack for them? Okay, yeah, เราจะเข้ามากันต่อมาเริ่มบ้าสองบ้าบีบ้าต่อบ้า calculator บ้า snack บ้า water เต้นดีแล้วรูปแบบแต่ชีไอ้ชั้นชูปลีเนี่ยแล้วรูปแบบแผนไอ้ชั้นชูปลีเป็นบ้าอาชีพจงเลย okay how do we prepare our hearts and minds for a brand new season whether you are starting kindergarten whether you are starting high school junior high or walking brand new to a college campus we're just navigating a new season of life as an adult. But maybe you're starting a new okay? God has a supply list for our souls that we need to stuff in our spiritual backpack. So I'm going to lead you to look at 3 essential things that we must pack for this new school year, okay? So เป็น spiritual backpack เป็นดีเป็นอย่างนะ我就เป็นหมู่ใช้เป็นอย่างเป็นดี就เป็น backpack 就เป็นชั้นชุดดีถูกป้าเป็นจะยังเป็นอีกตัว student 或者ยังเป็นปีเป็นรุ่นนั้นเชี่ยวชาญเนาะอุตสาหจะเป็นหมู่ใช้เป็นอย่างเนาะ Okay, the first thing for building spiritual backpack, pack courage for the unfamiliar. Okay, at the You know, the first thing we need to pack is courage. Okay? So be courageous, okay, of the unknown. A new school year brings a lot of unknowns, okay? I remember when I was still at the high school, and we would go to the junior high to Green Acres to recruit. Because the Redwood, we would go to the junior highs to recruit the 8th graders, right? To tell them, hey, this is what's gonna be like when you guys come from 8th grade to be freshmen at the high school. And you know what? One of the fears that some of those 8th graders have, okay? And I don't know how this fear started, but many of those 8th graders go, well, will the seniors like throw us in the trash can? Okay? And because Redwood has a senior court, right? So I think so lúc chỉ cần đợi Redwood mà nếu mà yếu vai là xỏ nó lại là bao tiền cho senior là cho cần great có chuyện là nhau lại hậu sinh à chỉ cho nên mình dùng mấy của trời great có chua là ga cho là lúc senior court là chỉ là chỉ chuyên nghiệp á chỉ cho great gì chủ yếu hay chỉ là chỉ biến chân trai là cho cũng muốn cho thì high school của mấy của là cho senior là chỉ là một bỏ chơi học kinh nghiệm này bỏ chơi học thông kinh nghiệm này. Okay, so each of us want to gain try to the unknown, this unknown part. Okay, so for the unknowns, for many students, it could be a new campus. Okay, maybe you came from a very small campus and now you're at a huge campus. From elementary school, you got stuck with one teacher the whole day, but now going to junior high, you might get 5 or 6 teachers. Okay. Or you're coming from a middle school that is small and now you're at a large high school campus. Like if it's Redwood, it's 2 campuses. You have to keep crossing that bridge, okay? And some people, it takes a long while to cross that bridge because Blue Campus, Redwood, or near all campus, and like that, so each and then try. For others, the unknown may be maybe a hard math class, maybe a hard teacher, okay? Some teachers have a reputation, okay? I remember when I came to Redwood as a student, okay? Not as an employee, but as a student. My freshman year there, they always said there was this Japanese teacher, I still remember his name is Sai Inimini, Mr. Inimini. And he taught economics. And the rumor on campus is that he is the hardest teacher and he has never given any kid an A. Okay? And every kid was scared of his class. Okay? But it was just a rumor. When I actually had him, he was not like that. Yes, he was very strict. But he made you work hard because he didn't just give away grades, right? He made sure that you earned that grade, that you learned that topic, you learned that content, okay? So some students, they may be fear the unknown of a hard or difficult teacher, or just the anxiety of walking around on campus and going, who do I sit with at lunch today, okay? Nên cho我哋我指嘛，nên chỉ包啊啲，nên就咪都用我這幾個些，喏這幾個些喏啲，喏不知道這個的錢喏同喏書我用得嚟對啦，okay？nên chỉ包啊，nên cho我哋指嘛，nên chỉ到可能啦。But for kids, for teenagers, this is the biggest thing on their mind, probably that first day if they're new, okay? They will be sitting in class and the teacher can be teaching them about science, math, whatever. In their mind, they're going, who am I going to sit at lunch with today? What if nobody wants to sit with me? What if what if I'm just sitting out there lonely by myself? Okay? So for Beijing, this is huge for Beijing, okay? But you have to remember that God gives us an antidote for this. Okay, so I want to look in Joshua chapter 1 verse 9. Okay, and I want you guys, the youth, I want you guys to kind of hear this. Okay, so in Joshua chapter 1 verse 9, this is what the Bible says. Have I not commanded you? Be strong, be courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. Okay? So for you that are stepping onto a new classroom, a new campus, a new grade, whatever, be courageous. God is with you for wherever you go. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. Okay? We have to think about if you guys pay attention to NASA's rover, okay? NASA, I'm going to explain it to the older folks. NASA จะยังรู้ agency สร้างrockets เราจะจดลงมาอย่างมุดส่งตู้นะอย่าง okay? So NASA is the agency that has sent the rover to Mars, okay? ไม่จันเตี้ยเต้เรามาเป็นมัว Earth เราเป็นมัวเตี้ยเต้แต่สิ่งที่มัวอีกอย่างเตี้ยเต้ย่อ J มีจีรุ่นดูเราพูดแต่ Mars นะหนึ่งเตี้ยเต้เรามัว個真正就係嚟沙拉伊魯米爾老闆，你們其中一路快，你們就攞得是沙拉能幫助 Mars. So NASA has been able to send a rover to Mars. So before the scientists sent the rover across millions of miles in empty space to the unknown, to this rocky planet called Mars, they made sure of one thing. The one thing that they made sure that they need to have was constant, unbreakable radio link to mission control on Earth. So they test and test and test to make sure that that communication, that radio link between the rover and between mission control on Earth is always going to be there so that there's no break in signal. The rover, once it gets on Mars, it faces like a hostile environment, big old changes in temperature, unpredictable terrain, but that rover was never alone because mission control always sees and always guides that rover as it explores the surface of Mars. At the รู้มีอยู่โลการู้ฝ่ายรู้ทราบตรงรู้อันเดียเต้ Mars นะวันเดียรู้ทราบมันรู้ชัวร์ก็นี่ทราบต้องนี่จะ signal มุดโตแต่เนี่ยเดียเต้เราชิดถาแล้วชิด control แล้วก็ชอบพูดจะ signal แล้วเสียตัวเขาจะเสียจะรู้จะเสียพูดจะไล่ปอดจะไล่เลย okay? And so mission control sees everything that the rover sees, okay? And the rover transmits data back and forth to mission control. So students, when you walk into that new classroom or that new campus, when you walk into that new quad or that new cafeteria, you might feel like you've been dropped into an unfamiliar planet, okay? bây giờ mình nói là to bây xa là một cho chế cần đấy là một chế cần đấy chết thì tới rồi trong vùng lý lúc mình nhiều rover nó phải bây giờ có là cho một bỏ rồi lúc tiền tay chết rồi, okay? And they feel so lost like that, okay? However, in Joshua 1:9, it promises that you have a permanent link to heaven's mission control, okay? It's like the rover has linked to Earth's mission control. You as a student, you have that link to God's mission control, okay? God is not just waiting for you at home, but He walks with you as a student down the hallway with you. แต่ว่าจริงๆจอนใจก็ว่าดู student แต่จอนใจก็เฉยย่อห้องนอนก็จะต้องเกมหมู่ชั้นต่อว่าจริงๆจอนใจก็you don't have to provide your own strength, you just have to remember who is walking beside you. Have courage because you are never alone, okay? So, for your spiritual backpack, have courage, okay? So, ขอเราจะอยากซื้อให้英語ว่าเราพูดถึงว่าอีกข้อ example เราจะมาโชว์เป็นso โชว์เป็นจะมีตัวมีอยู่用個刀個刀嘅，有人哋嗰個打噴你嗰隻刀就我問得是學啲呢隻呢個嘅 courage 一啲嘅，要怎麼學幾差咧都學不主要都大要 ，okay？ 學啲 point 2 What else are we packing in your spiritual backpack? Pack a reliable compass for the pressures, okay? A reliable compass for the pressure. So you guys as young folks, you don't know what a compass is, but you know what a GPS is, okay? So a compass does the same thing that a GPS does. it tells you direction, right? A compass has a little needle that points to north, okay? So if you have the compass, if you spin around like this, if your compass works, that compass needle points to north, okay? A GPS on your phone, you can do this and your GPS will tell you which way is north too, okay? But the difference between the GPS and the compass is the compass does not take battery power. Your phone, when it's dead, you have no GPS, okay? So 我还就我的路 compass 那么那个我他หาไม่ได้ป้อแต่นี่อี路路里นอนได้หรอเดี๋ยวว่าอีตุกี่หมู่กี่ลอเจียเขาเตือนขอสองหลุมนวดแต่ชาโอเต้เนาะเนี่ยเจนี่ตูปานะตีจนแล้วก็จะตีตลอดตูปานะมาแล้วก็ตีนะเจก็จะป้อเดี๋ยวก็หมู่ยาหาสองก็หมู่ขอตื่นหมู่ขอตื่นนะก็จะป้อเดี๋ยวชาเตือนนวดชาเตือนเศร้าชาเตือน west east นะ okay so pack the compass for pressure. The second tool we must pack is a reliable compass. School isn't just a place where you learn history, science, math, but it's a place where your character is tested. Okay? 即係個一定有咁講到OK 幾個到跟到是但是個冇啲這跟到嘅你要一塊橋your she will test your character. Okay? Your she ก็ตัวจื้อปืนนะมาโอเคเดี๋ยวเจ๊เกินเต้าอย่างอีกข้อเก๋ฉี่อ๋อก็ตัวจื้อปืนใช้ก็จ่อเลยจ้า okay so it will test your character so it's not just testing is to see if you know the quadratic formula or testing if you know what started the Civil War but it is a place that will be testing your character every day young people face choices okay you guys as young people you're going to face a lot of choices it's going to come across you and the question will become, will you make the right choice or will you make the wrong choice? แต่ในจังหวะนั้นในสารมันกันเต้ากันนะชวนทุกเลยจีชวนยาอะไรเสียที่เชื่อแต่กูอยากนอนล้อหรอกกูอยากนอนเนี่ยนะ okay one of those choices could be do I cheat on this quiz because everyone else is doing it do I join in the gossip about this classmate because everybody else is talking about him? Or do I stand up for them? Do I change how I dress? Do I change how I talk to fit into the popular crowd because I want to be cool like those cool kids? Okay? เดี๋ยวนี้จะมีอยู่นะเลยจะต้องอยากอยู่รอฉี่ๆเลยมั่วจะเกษาเดี๋ยวกูปวดขี้หลาจะเกษนะเนี่ยจะพอชดกูที่ขี้หลาเดี๋ยว这种กูขี้หลาเลยกูจะไล่ขนาดรงเลยว่ากูปวดถาลูสายจะไอ้นอนเนี่ย because กูจะพูดถาลูสายจะไอ้นอนจะเช็คกูจะถาลูสายจะไอ้นอนเลยที่อย่างกูเทียกูปวดย้อนหากูจะคุ้นเจอกูจะคุ้นเจอนะมันบ้านเรากูไปย้อนหากับกูรู้จีมันยกคนจ่าก็ตื่นเราซื้อจอขอนเชยเทียทากุเป้หรือ whatever okay or กูปวดอยู่ว่าไฮดูเพย์กูปวดเฉากูนี่หรือบ้านเราปวดกูที่หอบเลยนะจะช่วยอย่างไรOkay? So if we rely on our own feelings or opinions of our friends to guide us, we will often get lost. We need a fixed point. Okay? แต่อย่าไปเกียร์ไปดูเครื่องไปสาจะไปว่าเจอไปเชียนชิวว่าสิเจไปเสียสละอย่างกูอยากหาสองกูชิบุรุษคำเปิดเจกูว่าเจอกูเชื่อสิกูป้องหาสองเจกูลองชิดเจ Okay? So if I'm at the forest and I'm hunting and I don't have a compass or GPS and I go to some place that I'm not sure of, I may get lost. I may not be able to make it back to my truck. Okay? So in Proverbs 3, chapter 3, verse 5 to 6, I want us to look at this, and this is what it says. It says, trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him. He will make your path straight. Okay? So lean not on your own understanding. Okay? You may understand certain things certain way. You may go with your emotions, with your heart, how you feel. But this Bible verse tells us, lean not on your own understanding because you have to trust in the Lord with all your heart. Not with some of your heart, not with 70%, not with 90%, okay? In mathematics, if we say all means 100%, okay? เดี๋ยวก็ไปเกี่ยวเชื่อตัวจื่อชอบเกี่ยวเชื่อตัว 背着给到导师 okay ก็ไป and always submit to him แต่ก็ไปเกี่ยวโยไอ้เกียรติส่วนอย่างตัวนึง that he will make your path straight and นี่จะว่าไปจะเก๋ยากนี่จะมั่วจะเก๋ยากก็ไปต่อเลยนะ okay so 要古木要打哈上古介绍的古坑是这一起这古我的古啊有几个要哈上这那点有冇不但都老如果你要如果谁能老到啥个谁讲老来不要不对 Dad you can't just look at rocks and remember that's where we came from okay so for the youth that didn't understand it I often go hunt with my father-in-law he doesn't understand a compass or a GPS so he doesn't understand how to read it so when we get to a certain spot he would often say hey didn't we just come from that rock because I remember that rock we came from that rock so when we go back we're going to go back to that rock right and I would always have to correct him and say hey we didn't come from that rock we passed many rocks and when you start passing a lot of rocks one rock looks like the other rock and I tell him you can't depend on memorizing the rocks you have to look at your compass and GPS so that the GPS will tell you which way to go back okay อย่าไปกี่ตรงไปกี่เพราะฉะนั้นสิเจไปอยู่เก๋ไปหมู่ยอต่อหาชง so for you as students okay trust in the Lord with all your heart don't lean on your own understanding because if you just lean on your own understanding then you're just looking at rocks and trees to navigate okay the Lord is your GPS is your compass okay in all your ways submit to him and he will make your path straight okay so you have to remember that so for some of you youth I'm sure you use your GPS app on your iPhone or your smartphone and maybe when you visit big cities like LA or San Diego or San Francisco you use that right but have you ever noticed that when you're in some of those areas with the big tall buildings the big skyscrapers sometimes it messes your signal okay sometimes your signal doesn't come through and it messes and then your phone starts glitching okay and your phone may not pinpoint where you're at sometimes 这种被洗被 GPS 被某人在看着你在出来个 signal 这种那点你可以被去吐进来 okay so if you trust that glitchy screen okay if it's glitchy and you don't know it's glitchy and you trust that glitchy screen you'll end up completely lost but if you have a traditional magnetic compass that doesn't take battery okay or if your battery runs out it doesn't care about skyscrapers it doesn't care about batteries it ignores all the noises that the city and those skyscrapers have and it points you directly to north every single time okay อย่างเป็นเชื่อมโดยเป็นโฟนซึ่งจะแบตเตอรี่ตาจะโฟนตัวจะโอเคเป็นเชื่อมโดยเป็นโฟนซึ่งจะชื่อว่า signal จะโฟนตัวโฟนจอเป็นหมู่โอเค但是要รู้ compass 那么你只是จอ你只是 signal 你是magneticซึ่งจะ你 always point to north จะรู้ compass 那么你จอจง point to north จะเป็นที่โอเคSo the world, the world, social media, okay, internet, and peer pressure are like those distracting skyscrapers for you, the student, okay? Sometimes your GPS or your GPS will get messed up because it blocks those signals and you get lost. For you, the world's take on things social media, peer pressure, those are the distractions for you that sometimes you will get lost. They cause our internal moral compass to spin out of control. At the end, social media, TV, Facebook, Internet, YouTube. Cho lo auto pay to signal or pay to GPS you okay to pay the okay so they cause our internal moral compass to spin out of control to get lost but Proverbs tells us that in this